I am going to walk you through on how to make the most moist, flavorful, sweet southern cornbread you could ever make. Start with pouring Jiffy corn muffin mixes into a large mixing bowl. Break up any clumps. Add in sugar, brown sugar, eggs, milk, melted butter, sour cream, and vanilla. Mix until smooth. You're going to use a greased 9x13 metal baking dish, and you're going to sprinkle coarse salt. This is really important because it gives this cornbread a sweet and salty taste. The combination is perfect. Next, pour the batter over the salt and bake at 375 degrees for 27 to 30 minutes. For additional tips and complete recipe, please visit aforkstail.com.